Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the environment is ready. Install Python 3, 8 or later and create a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, activate the environment and pip install Snowflake connector Python. This gives you the official driver. Next, collect your Snowflake connection details: account, username, role, warehouse, database, schema, and store them securely in environment variables or a config file so credentials aren't hard-coded. This sets a repeatable, secure foundation before you write any code. Now you write the code that actually opens a session. Use Snowflake connector. Connect and reference environment variables for credentials. This avoids leaking secrets. Then create a cursor and execute a simple validation query, for example, select current version, to confirm authentication and network reachability. Make sure to wrap calls in try/, except so you can handle authentication, network, or SQL errors gracefully. Once the test passes, close the cursor and connection, and log the outcome so you know the session lifecycle completed successfully. Finish by implementing your data operations. For small transfers, use pandas to data frame and to SQL patterns. For bulk loads, stage files and run copy into for speed. Once done, optimize warehouse size and monitor query profile to control costs and latency. Make sure to parameterize SQL to prevent injection. If something fails, first verify the account URL formatting and network access. Then check role permissions and warehouse status. These 3 items are the most common causes and usually resolve connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.